Okay, let's go to Canva, click create and click brochure 29.7 21 centimeters. Blank canvas is on. In the left hand side, there are all the ready-made templates. You can customize them as you wish, but today we are going to create a new one from scratch. Adding a second page for the inside of the brochure. First start numbering the pages so we don't get confused later. Okay, I'll fast forward from here. Page 1, 6 and 5. Let's duplicate this and take this to the next canvas. Page 2, 3 and 4. Now, let's select an image and let's select a background, and we can see the image colors here. So let's select this skin tone. Go to elements, take a shape, and I want to make a square shape and a different color. And let's go to elements again and select a grid and drag it here. And I'm going to put this image in the grid. And I'm going to, let's place it here and drag the square and position backwards. Right. Now I need a round shape and I need to give it the same color. And let's place it here and make it a little bit bigger. And I'm going to find a logo. Let's type a Beautysalon and I'll select this logo. Now let's resize the logo. And give it a color. Adjust it. And text, add a heading. And let's select typeface, Brassica. Let's add a text box now. And we are going to add opening hours and contact details here. Let's go to elements and in the search bar let's type telephone. Select this telephone, give it a color, resize it. Okay, this is our telephone number. Now let's duplicate the text, resize it. Okay, this is our web address. Now we need to add a website icon. Type web, let's select this one, give it a color, resize, add it next to the web address. Let's group them together so we can move them at one go as a group. Let's click File, View Settings and show margins and rulers. And can you see the ruler appearing now? Let's drag one of the rulers and place it into this text and let's check whether the text is aligned properly. Now under VR here, I like to add an arrow and direct it to the map. So let's find an arrow. Place the arrow here at the bottom of the document. We are here. I'll show you how to link a Google Map to Canva now. Let's type Google Map here. Use app. Open. Now you can search a map in the search bar and add it to the document. But for this purpose, I am using a dummy map here. Now let's finish second, third and fourth page. Select an image. Let's find a frame here. Place the image inside the frame again. Drag it here. Add a square shape again. Give it the maroon color. Drag it here and adjust. Position backwards. Drag it to the next page margin. Right. Let's duplicate this text. Duplicate the square. Add it behind the text. Duplicate it. Type available services. Let's type all types of treatment available. Let's click this straight line and add it under the services. Give it white color. Let's click the background above, and now you can see the background colors. Hover the mouse over to the color. Can you see the hex code in the black box? Now I am going to type the hex code in the search bar and find the color. Right. This is the perfect color. Let's duplicate this text. Add a black color. Book an appointment now. Now let's duplicate this square. Add it to the last page. Duplicate the text. Get special prices. Make the square smaller. Duplicate and add an underline. Now let's duplicate that box and place it here. Facials. Duplicate this photo and frame. Make it smaller. Add a picture for facials and replace the image. There you go. Let's place the ruler here. Let's group it and duplicate. Nails. Add a nail care picture. Duplicate again. Hair care. Let's duplicate again. Laser. Now let's add a hair treatment image, and let's find a laser treatment image. Add it here. Now let's add some prices. $50. Let's make it smaller, and let's do the same thing for others too. Now our document is finished. Now let's print this. Click share, download. Now if you are using Canva free version, you can download it as an RGB file. Now if you have Canva Pro, you can use the CMYK file type. It is the best print quality file. Now download. Okay, this was a long video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I'll be back with a new video. Thank you for watching.